Mailmodo extension tutorial. So today we're going to show you how to create a new subscriber and populate some data for that subscriber inside of a Mailmodo list. To get started, you want to go ahead and add your Likeable Forms license key, and you'll also need your Mailmodo API key. If you don't know how to get the API key, be sure to check out our documentation. And the next step, after you go ahead and add your API keys, let's go ahead and hit Verify License Key. And if everything checks out, we can go ahead and move on to our extension settings. So after you've added your API key, we'll now be able to grab all of our list names. And from here, you just want to go ahead and select one of the options. The next step is actually mapping the fields. So as you can see, there's quite a few here that you can map to each one of your customers. It's optional and none of them are required, but you do need to actually have an email field. We're just going to go ahead and fill out a few of them so that you can see how this works. So for the email, we'll map our email field, our first name, we're going to use our name field, and for the age, we're going to use our number field. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and add a phone field to our form so that we can map that to our customer. We'll come back into our settings, and now we can go ahead and map the phone field. It's really going to be on a case-by-case basis. I'll also cover the description. For example, if you need a text field or even a text area field, if you plan on the description being quite lengthy, just go ahead and add it to your form in your form editor, and now we can come down here and we can add it just like this. There you have it.